Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, first of all, at the very beginning of this video, I would like to ask you a few questions. So the first question is like that, do you really want to become fluent in English? I mean, you really want to work towards to learn this language? And the second question is that, are you really looking for some amazing habits which will help you to become fluent in English? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. So friends, in this video, I am going to share with you some amazing, wonderful habits which will help you to be fluent in English. Okay, so this video is going to very helpful, very useful for every English learner who wants to be fluent in English. So you must watch this video right till the end. And if you are new in this channel, then please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. And don't skip the video, watch the video right till then. If you want to get some benefits, some amazing tips, so please watch this video right till then. Don't skip the video. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. So friends, my today topic is that in this video I'm going to share with you some amazing benefits, some amazing habits which will really benefit for you if you will really follow all these habits which I'm going to share with you in this video. Believe me friends, you will be fluent in English very quickly. Okay, so and these habits don't take your a lot of time. Okay, you must give some 1 hour in a daily routine. So this video is going to very helpful. You just need to get 1 hour in your daily routine, okay, to becoming fluent in English. Okay friends, so my first habit is that, which I'm going to share with you in this video, is that reading. So reading habits, friends, it is a very wonderful habit. And read everything. Okay, if you are new, if you are a learner, if you are a beginner, then start this habit. Read everything, whatever written in English, when you are going in a market, and when you are in traveling, when you are at your home, you just start to read everything in English. Whatever written in English, just start to read everything. Okay, and if you are a beginner, if you are a learner, then just start to read low standard English book such as class 3rd, 4th, 5th. Why I am saying that? Because in this class English book, this English is very easy and very understandable. You can easily understand what is written in English. You can understand everything in English, and you find that English is not so difficult. You don't need to go some hi-fi books, some novels books. You don't need to go. You just need to start your English level reading habit. Just start to read some low standard English book. Okay friends, so just start read some books, some everything in English, whatever written in English, just start to read out. And this habit have give you different kind of benefit, such as by reading, your vocabulary will be increasing. You find different kind of vocabulary which you need to do conversation in English. Okay, which you need to use in your daily conversation in English. So you find different kind of vocabulary while reading in English. Okay, and you also find how to make structure in English. So there are different kind of structure, sentence structure, such as affirmative sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentence. So there are different kind of sentences, and you need to know what are the subject, object, verb, and how it is work. Okay, so you can easily understand everything in English when you are going to read something in English. So reading habit is really going to improve your fluency. Reading habit is going to improve your subconscious mind can easily understand how to make a sentence structure in English when you are going to do conversation with someone in English. So you can easily find some sentences which you have already read. Okay, so this is a very wonderful habit. Make this habit, give it this habit only 10 minutes every day, so you can easily understand everything in English. So this is your first habit, reading. And the second habit is that writing. Okay, so we all do writing habit in the class or from the class of third. So we already have do that. But if you are learner, if you are beginner, then do this practice every day. Why I'm saying that? Because once you do start writing in different kind of novels, different kind of in your diary, so you can easily find your subconscious mind automatically give you vocabulary which you have already read in a book and sentence structure. So writing habit is also benefit for you once you are going to do conversation with someone, so you can easily find some sentences which you have already written in English. So writing habit is also very beneficial for you. So you can give 10 minutes of this habit. Okay, you can give 10 minutes for this habit. So I gave you two habits, reading or writing. Okay, now I'm going to give you third habit. The third habit is that listening. Believe me friend, this is a wonderful habit. Start your listening habit with different kind of podcast, different kind of, if you like to listen different kind of music, then start to listen English song. So in this way you can easily find some vocabulary and some sentence structure, because when you started to listening different kind of English content, so you automatically find some vocabulary, how to speak out. Reading habits, believe me friends, this habit will improve your fluency. Okay, because think about that, how did I learn our mother tongue? How did we learn our mother tongue? Just when we was a kid, and we listened more and more sentences by our mother, father, elder brother, elder sister. Okay, by listening, and just we start to copy them. Okay, and after some time we started to express our idea in a broken mother tongue, so we can easily learn our mother tongue. So how can it possible? It can possible because of listening habit. So listening habit is very important. Listen every day, in a 20 or 30 minutes, listen every day. This habit will improve your fluency in English, because once you listen, okay, because you want to speak in English, so you hear the like words that if you want to good speaker, then start to become a good listener. So listening habit will become you fluent in English. Okay, so this is a wonderful habit. Start some listening some podcasts, some Spotify, some VR bikes. So there are many content, you just choose according to your interest and start to listen. Okay, so and now I'm going to share with you another habit. The another habit is that watching. If no one can deny that I'm not watching TV. Okay, everyone can watch, but if you want to fluent in English, then shift your interest to your mother tongue, to your English. Just start to watch English content. Okay, whatever you like, just choose according to your interest and watch different kind of English content, English interviews, English movie, English series. So it depends on you. Now let's talk about the last and the very important is one, speaking. Friends, this is a wonderful habit because without this habit, uh, you can't get any result. Believe me friends, never ever. You can't fluent in English if you not pick this habit. Pick this habit every day, minimum 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, 10 or 15 minutes is good for you. If you are a beginner, if you are a listener, then start to speak out 10 or 15 minutes. Why I am saying that? Because you want to fluent in English. So what you need to do, you need to just speak out whatever you know. Don't think in your mind that when I will perfect, then I will go to speak with sentence. Never ever. It's not happen. Okay, if you want to fluent in English, then just start to speak out whatever you know. It's not matter it's wrong or right, but if you are not going to speak out, so you can't become fluent in English. You can't become fluent in English. So this is a main habit you need to start every day, minimum 10 or 15 minutes. And believe me friend, after using this habit, okay, it's very difficult in a beginning periods. You feel fumble, you feel scared, what if I do many type of mistakes. So don't do speak in publicly. Just speak with yourself when you are free at your home. So you can start in English, say something in English with yourself. So do practice. Do practice, speaking practice. Once you do practice again and again, you will be fluent in English and you will feel yourself more confident. And after sometimes you automatically give some sentences, do conversation with someone. So this habit will make you fluent in English. So friends, I hope you like my video. So if you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, thank you for watching this video. We will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.